to Fallout 76. This is Jim. Once in a while we'll get a weekly. Let's take a look at that. Build light sources in your camp, in your workshop or camp, 10 for 1000 score. So you need to go to your build menu. Go down to lights. Now I would pick something that doesn't cost a lot. Alright? So you scroll down, it's going to be different for everyone, depending on what plans that you know. Alright? Try to pick something that's not going to cost a whole lot, or a whole lot of resources that you value. Let's take a look at this campfire here. Let's go outside first. See if this counts. I'm just kind of wondering if it's going to count myself. I get back into the build menu here. There we go. It does. So 1 oil, 5 wood, something that most people should have on them, especially a newer player. So let's build them. Then you just scrap them when you're done. Done. 10 for 10. There you go. Another one checked off. Hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and share when you have the chance, because it really helps me out. And I hope you all have a nice day.